friends, welcome back to my channel Square Root. This is the channel where you learn different mathematical concepts and mathematical tricks, not by mugging up the steps, perhaps by understanding how each trick works. Today I will be going to explain a trick from Vedic mathematics. The trick is how to multiply the number which is very near to the hundreds. For example, 103 into 105, 106 into 109, 112 into 113, 114 into 115. Before we go ahead with the explanation, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please click on the bell icon below for the notifications. Now let's start. 103 into 105. See how far is 3 from 100? It is plus 3 because 100 plus 3 is 103. How far is 105 from 100? It is plus 5 because 100 plus 5 is 105. Next, cross add. Generally we hear about cross multiplication. Here it is cross add. 103 plus 5 is 108, followed by 3 into 5, 15. That's it. We got the answer. It is so simple. Let's take another example. 106 into 109. 106 is 6 ahead of 100 because 100 plus 6 is 106. 109 is 9 ahead of 100. 100 plus 9 is 109. Now, cross add. One thing I want to highlight. Cross add can be done by like this also. 106 plus 9. It can also be done like 109 plus 6. You will get the same result. 106 plus 9 is 115. Followed by 6 into 9, that is 54. That's it. We got the answer. Next, 112 into 113. 112 is 12 ahead of 100. 113 is 13 ahead of 100. Now, cross add. It is 125 followed by 12 into 13, that is 156. So, you write 56 here, add 1 here. So, this would be 12656. That's it. Next, 114 is plus 14 ahead of 100. 115 is 15 ahead of 100. Now, cross add. You get 129. 14 into 15 is 210. You write 10 here. 2 you carry to 9. When you do so, you get 13110. This is the answer. We got it. We consider the example still now which is greater than 100, where both the numbers were greater than 100. Here I am considering the examples where both the numbers are lesser than 100. For example, 97 into 96. In here, just check how behind is 97 from 100. It is minus 3 because 100 minus 3 is 97. How behind is 96 from 100? Minus 4 because 100 minus 4 is 96. Now, the same thing applies. I would again say cross add. 97 plus of minus 4 is 97 minus 4, that is 93. Followed by minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12. I would write it here 9312. This is our answer. 93 into 98. How behind is 93 from 100? Minus 7. How behind is 98 from 100? Minus 2. Now again cross add. 93 plus minus 2 is 93 minus 2, that is 91. Followed by minus 7 into minus 2, that is 14. We got the answer. Now 91 into 98. 100 minus 9 is 91. 100 minus 2 is 98. Now cross add. this would be 91 minus 2, this would be 89, followed by 9 into 2, that is 18. 100 minus 6 is 94. 100 minus 8 is 92. Cross add. 94 minus 8 is 86, followed by 6 into 8, that is 48. That's it. We got the answers. It is so easy. Now let's see how does the trick work. 103 is 100 plus 3. 105 is 100 plus 5. 94 is 100 plus of minus 6. 92 is 100 plus of minus 8. So this is in the form 100 plus A into 100 plus B. In this case, A and B were positive. In this case, A and B were negative. Now, doing this multiplication, this would be 100 into 100 plus 100 times A plus 100 times B plus AB. Now, I will take 100 common in these three terms. This would be 100 into 100 plus A plus B plus AB. This is 100 into 100 plus A, I will group 100 plus A plus B plus AB. In this case, 100 plus A is 103, where A is 3. In this case, 100 plus A is 94, where A is minus 6. In this, it would be 100 plus A plus B into 100, which means followed by 2 zeros plus AB. This is what we did. 100 plus A is 103 in this case, plus B. This is what we did, cross add. This plus B is nothing but the cross add we did. This is 108, 100 plus A plus B, followed by AB, which is nothing but into 100 plus AB. This is 108 into 100 plus 50. Similarly, in this case, 100 plus A plus B. 100 plus A is 94, B is minus 8. When I do cross add, this is 100 plus A plus B, which is 86, into 100, that is 86, followed by 2 zeros, plus AB, that is 48, we get 8648. This is how the trick works. Now let's see the extension of the trick. The formula behind the trick is 100 plus A into 100 plus B is equal to 100 plus A plus B followed by 2 zeros plus AB. Having this in mind, let's see how to do 98 into 103. In all my previous examples, both the numbers were lesser than 100 or greater than 100. Here, one is lesser than 100 and one is greater than 100. How to do in this case? 98 is 100 minus 2. 103 is 100 plus 3. Now cross add. 98 plus 3 is 101. Now 101 is 100 plus A plus B followed by 2 zeros plus AB. AB is minus 2 into plus 3, that is minus 6. So plus of minus 6 is minus 6. So this would be 10094. Ends here for this week. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Next week I will be coming up with few more tricks. Till then, take care. Bye bye.